Craig went bowling with $25 to spend. He rented shoes for $5.25 and paid $4 for each game. What is the greatest number of games Craig could have played? Okay, so what Craig spends has to be less than, that's the symbol for less than, has to be less than 25 bucks. And Craig is going to pay for games and shoes. He's going to pay for X number of games and one pair of shoes. So X number of games for $4. It says $4 for each game, $5.25 for the shoes and $4 for each game. So he's going to spend X games, and each game is going to cost him $4. So 4 times X plus $5.25 for the shoes. How do we solve this inequality? Well, just like an equation, we're going to subtract $5.25 from either side in the first instance. That's good legal math. And then we get X times 4 has to be, again, less than, still less than $19.75. What do we do now? We divide by 4. If we divide by 4, that means X equals, this is the number of games, remember, because the number of games times $4. The number of games has to be less than 4.9375. So if it has to be less than 4.9375, it cannot be 5. The number that's highest, that's the number of games. Remember, you can't bowl 4.5 games, right? You either bowl a game or you don't. You pay for a game or you don't. The number that is the greatest number, less than 4.9375, is, of course, 4. And you're good.